Hey guys, and this is why you should get excited. The Samsung Galaxy S11 leaks are starting to pick up some steam. Ice Universe today tweeted out saying that Galaxy S11 camera will have something you have never seen before. And if you care about camera, then skip the Galaxy Note 10. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 just came out. I recently got my hands on it. I've been playing with it for a couple of days now. It's got a lot of upgrades, but the camera in particular is mainly the same as the Galaxy S10 family. And considering what's gonna happen in the future with the iPhone 11, the Mate 30 Pro, and the Pixel 4, Ice Universe might just be right. So what could be that thing that we have never seen before? In the recent time, there are only two big things that have completely changed the smartphone camera game. First one is the night mode, and the second one is Huawei's crazy zoom tech. Samsung has one of these features, which is the night mode. It's great but not the best. Huawei and Google are still better with the night mode, so I kinda agree with Ice here. The three major camera upgrade phones are on their way in the form of iPhone 11 Pro, the Pixel 4, and the Mate 30 Pro. It's going to be a tsunami of amazing camera tech, and Note 10 might not be able to handle it, which is why Galaxy S11 is the phone to wait for if you truly want the best camera gains from Samsung. So Galaxy S11 camera will be a generational upgrade. Ice Universe says that it's confirmed to have a bigger sensor along with something that we have never seen on a smartphone camera before. He also said that there will be a smartphone next year with 10x optical zoom and 108 megapixel sensor. Could this be Galaxy S11? Combined with a bigger sensor, this could really become something we have never seen before. So camera is the reason why you should be excited for the S11. I hope we're gonna get some more details and more leaks soon in the form of patents or maybe from the reports coming from China. Now we have another exciting news. The Galaxy A90 family is confirmed by Samsung themselves. Yes, one of Samsung's official website has listed the names for Galaxy A90 and A91. If you check the specs page for the 45-watt charger, you will see the mentioning of Galaxy A90 and A91. In case you don't know, the A90 is going to be the flagship killer device planned for this year with Snapdragon 855 along with triple camera setup. There will be a 5G variant of the Galaxy A90 which is now going to be called as A91, also coming this year. There's also a rumor going on that A91 might actually rock Samsung's recently announced 108 megapixel camera sensor. So it's going to be interesting to see what this phone will pack when it comes to camera. Whether that happens or not, what's confirmed and exciting is that the A90 and A91 are coming for sure. Also, Ice Universe further tweeted out regarding the waterfall screen. A lot of my audience are not a fan of extreme curves, but seems like this is the direction for future of smartphone displays. And apparently Samsung is behind for the waterfall display of Vivo NEX 3. Samsung Display has made a comment on Vivo on the Vivo NEX 3 post. So if Samsung is doing this for Vivo, then this might actually come with the Galaxy S11 next year. Again, no confirmation whatsoever, but this is the inevitable direction of mobile phone design as said by the main leaker. Very soon, in the mid of September, Huawei and Vivo will release their waterfall screen flagship phones. So Mate 30 Pro and Vivo NEX 3 are coming. And once they are out in the market, we'll see what's the big hype about these displays that Ice Universe keeps saying about. So the S11 leaks are picking up some steam. I'm really excited for Samsung's future camera upgrade. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.